In this section we will be solving two-step equations. Now in this section we need to be very careful which order we use when we are undoing the operations done to x. Essentially we want to reverse all the operations in the equation in reverse order of operations. So we always want to start with addition or subtraction. We want to apply the addition or subtraction property of equality first, then move on to multiplication and division. All right, very important that we keep that in mind. So in this first example, we have 2b minus 4. We want to start by working with the subtraction. The multiplication will be our next step. So we want to unsubtract 4. In order to do that, we want to add 4 to both sides. So on the left we have 2b minus 4 plus 4, cancels out, equals 12 plus 4 is 16. Now we can deal with the 2. 2 times b. In order to undo that, we want to divide by 2. Have to do it on both sides. The 2's cancel and leave you with 1b, or just b, equals 16 divided by 2 is 8. Performing a check, we want to plug our result back into the original equation. So 2 times 8 minus 4, we want to show that that is equal to 12. 2 times 8 is 16, minus 4 equals 12. 16 minus 4 is 12, which is equal to 12. So our solution checks. In example 2, same idea. We have 4 plus 3r. We want to decide whether to get rid of the 4 first or the 3 first. Because we are adding here, we need to deal with the 4 first. In order to get rid of it, we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. 4 minus 4 is 0, leaving you with 3r equals 5 minus 4 is 1. Now, in order to get rid of the 3 times r, we have to divide by 3. Divide by 3. So we're left on the left-hand side with 1r, or just r, equals 1/3. Performing a check, we have 4 plus 3 times 1/3 equals 5. So 4 plus 3 times 1/3 is 3/3, or 1, equals 5. 4 plus 1 is 5, equals 5, and it checks. So 1/3 is the solution. For example 3, we have 3 equals 19 minus 2m. We want to start with the 19, so subtract 19 from both sides. 3 minus 19 is negative 16, equals 19 minus 19 is 0, copying down the negative 2m. Now we need m by itself, so we're going to divide by a negative 2, divide by a negative 2. On the left, negative 16 divided by negative 2 is a positive 8, equals 1m, or just m. Performing a check, 3 equals 19 minus 2 times our answer, 8. 3 equals 19 minus 16, so 3 equals 3. It checks. Example 4, we have 11 minus y equals 32. We want to get rid of the 11, so subtract 11 from both sides. 11 minus 11 is 0. We're left with the negative y equals 32 minus 11 is 21. Now we need to get rid of this negative sign. Remember, this is a negative 1 here, so we're going to divide both sides by a negative 1. On the left, we have y equals 21 divided by negative 1 is negative 21. Performing a check, we have 11 minus negative 21 equals 32. Minus a negative the same as a plus, so we have 11 plus 21 equals 32. 32 equals 32, and that checks. Example 5, we have 3 plus 3/5 x equals 12. We want to subtract 3 from both sides first. 3 minus 3 is 0, and we're left with 3/5 x equals 12 minus 3 is 9. In order to get rid of the fraction, we want to multiply both sides by its reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 3/5 is 5/3 over here times 5/3. On the left, we wind up with 1x or just x. Everything cancels. And on the right, 5 times 9 is 45. 3 times 1 is 3. Reducing this, we get 15 over 1, or just 15. Performing a check, we have 3 plus 3/5 times 15 equals 12. 3/5 times 15 is 9. So we have 3 plus 9 equals 12. 12 is equal to 12, and it checks.